welcome to Chef Mooney, coming to you from Mooney's Kitchen. Now today I was on YouTube just watching a few of you guys out there cooking. Keith from the Vulgar Chef was watching his quarantine cooking collaboration that was started by Mitch over at Kitchen Queers. Now if you haven't seen their channel, both their channels, go and check them out. So the rules are that you can only use items where you're stuck down in quarantine, you can't get out there, you're not allowed to go shopping for the ingredients that you need, but you must come up with something, whatever you can with the ingredients that you have on hand. So, thanks anyway. Cheers, Keith. I'll have a beer for you, my friend. So, and also thank the Kitchen Queers for putting this fun collaboration together. Now, the ingredients that I found, I've got some bread here. You can probably still see the date on this, taking it out of the freezer. 20th of March, 20th of March there for the bread. Taking it out of the freezer, is now defrosted. I've got a couple of slices of bacon. I've got some lettuce. I've got tomato. I've got some lime. I found one spring onion, very tired, but I've cleaned all the edges off it, washed it, so it'll come back to life a little bit. We're going to use some avocado. I've got some garlic. Didn't have any olive oil, but I've got vegetable oil. And because I can't run out to the shops and get anything, just going to have to make do. We are going to make a variation of the classic BLT, bacon, lettuce and tomato sandwich. I'm going to use some avocado in this with some lime. I thought that was a nice, interesting combination. I'm also going to use some mayonnaise, a little bit of garlic with the oil, and we're going to put this together. Come on guys, let's have a bit of fun. Let's get cracking. Cheers. Alright, let's get going with this recipe. I've got my oven on 220 degrees. Hottest it can be. I've got a rack in there which I'm going to put the bacon on. I'm going to throw that into the oven. We're going to slice the bread, we're going to put it under the broiler, that's already on. I've got a little bit of garlic here. I want to put some, I would normally use olive oil, but I've only got vegetable oil. Just give that a little mix around. We're going to let that infuse. Alright. So I've preheated this pan. So I'm not putting bacon onto a cold rack, otherwise I'm going to get all this, you probably hear the sizzle. Alright, yeah, that's what we want. Alright, 4 pieces of bacon, only going to do a couple of sandwiches here. Just let that go now for a little while. Let's get our bread organised. This has got some seeds through it as well, so it might be quite nice. Fairly thick slices. Do the other. Put this away for later use. After all, I can't go down to the baker, can I? Alright. I think it's got some apricots in there as well. It's some sort of fruit. Looks really, smells really good. Alright. Alright, so garlic is ready, bread is sliced. Let's put that over to one side. Now, into a bowl, I want to put some avocado. I've already cut this, so I'm going to put half an avocado in. Doesn't matter if you've got a little bit of garlic on the spoon. Get that avocado into the bowl. I'm going to add the zest of some lime. And I want to add some of that juice. It's going to stop the avocado from going brown. Now, unfortunately, my avocado is not super ripe, but we're going to mash it up. We've got to make do, right? A little bit of salt, if you don't season it. A little bit of pepper. Okay, so there I've got my avocado, nicely mashed. A little bit of oil with the garlic just over the bread. Now this needs to go under the broiler. Keep an eye on it. Nice and golden brown, don't burn it. I'm using these, they're like a ready sort of green tomato. Actually it says on here, a load of this. Rich, dark and mysterious. You think I'm making this up, don't you? I don't know if you can see that, but it actually says rich, dark and mysterious. So, go figure that one out. They're going to be in there as well. Some of the green, darker green pieces. I've got some nice lettuce. I washed this lettuce. Always wash your lettuce. I don't know why people don't wash it, because it just hydrates it, and putting dry lettuce onto something is horrible. Alright, so they've all been washed, ready to go. Nice and crispy. Leave it on the rack. You get all that fat just dripping down. I've lined it with some baking paper so we're not going to have a big wash up. That's important. Just turn the bread over. I'm going to toast that other side just slightly. Alright, bacon's ready to go. Let's put it together. Okay, so the bread's come out nice and toasty on that side. We're going to turn it over here and let's start building this sandwich. Some avocado. Some lettuce. Some of that nice crispy bacon. Followed by tomato. A little drizzle of mayonnaise. A few of the scallions or spring onion, wherever you come from. You might call them different things. We call spring onion here. Touch of oil. Just a little drizzle of oil. Olive oil, perfect. I don't have olive oil. Let's get the lid on. Can you hear that crunch? Look at that. Yes. Thank you guys for watching my hashtag quarantine cooking recipe with the BLT. You don't have to add avocado. I just think it really works quite well. Come on, let's give it a taste. I think the bacon probably, you have to use streaky bacon. I've used a lean bacon. It's probably going to be a little bit dry, but hey, who's complaining? It's not too bad. It's crispy. BLT. Cheers, guys. Stay safe. Bloody beers run out. You know what that means, don't you? I have to go and get another one. Take care, guys. Have yourselves a fantastic week. Hope you enjoyed this recipe. Special thanks again for Kitchen Quiz for driving this and putting it out there to YouTube. It's a lot of fun. Get involved, get in the kitchen, make something. And Keith wouldn't have come across it if I hadn't watched your video this morning, so that's what inspired me also to make this video. Guys, have yourselves a fantastic week. Stay safe, don't forget to wash your hands. I'm going to get myself another beer. Cheers.